In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to a Wrike project, whether you're collaborating on a big campaign or simply delegating tasks. Adding the right team members to your Wrike project is critical for your team's productivity and success. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you're logged into Wrike and ready to access the right workspace. You'll begin by heading to Campaign Management within your Wrike account. This is where all the magic starts, as it serves as the hub for all your project management needs. Once you are there, you'll want to navigate to the Personal section. It's essentially your personalized area within Wrike where you can manage individual and team workspaces more efficiently. Next, you'll click on Campaign Management again within your workspace. This might seem repetitive, but ensuring you're in the correct working environment helps in keeping everything organized, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns at once. Make sure everything's set as needed. Now, you will encounter a highlight feature. This option is visualized to help you easily identify specific areas or tasks. Select it to proceed further into task or project specifics. After this, you'll click on Highlight one more time. It acts like a checkpoint, ensuring you're on the right path towards adding your team member. Continuing onward, you should see an option labeled My Team. Click on it to access the team settings and configurations. Here, you'll get an overview of your current team members and their statuses. Look for the option tagged as another highlight, guiding you to an invite by email button. This is where you'll start the process of bringing your new team member on board. When you click this, it opens up the space to add new team participants. Should your team exceed the current limit of members, use the Get More Seats option. This is essential to accommodate additional members if needed. Once you've ensured enough seats are available, proceed by entering the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. This straightforward step is crucial, as you are directly extending the invitation to join the team space within Wrike. Finally, you'll find a highlight area again, indicating the final step, Send Invite. By clicking here, you'll trigger the invitation process, allowing your new team member to join your project. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly add new members to your Wrike project, ensuring widespread collaboration and efficiency within your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you maximize your productivity on Wrike.